Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we will cover the types of interrogative sentences. I have already made part 1 of interrogative sentences where I have given a basic introduction to the same, and all this will be provided under the playlist of sentences in English language. Now without any further ado, let's get started. The first type of an interrogative sentence is yes no question. So yes no questions are questions that can be answered in yes or no. So we don't need a full answer to answer these questions, and these questions begin with auxiliary verbs, helping verbs. They begin with helping verbs like is, am, are, was, were, will, have, had, do, did, and even they begin with modal auxiliaries too. Have a look at these examples here. The first one is, did you receive any message on time? And the answer could be yes I did, no I didn't. So these are yes no questions whose answer could be received in yes or no. The next example is, will you be able to come? And you can simply answer this question in yes or no form. Students, the second category according to which an interrogative sentence could be divided is question word questions. So question word question. First of all, what is a question word? Question word is a word which is a proper WH word like who, which, what, when. They are full-fledged questions. So these questions begin with WH question words, and those WH question words are who, which, what, when, where, how much. They have a proper answer to it. They have a proper answer to it. Have a look at these set of examples here. The first one is, when did you buy this car? For example, I bought this car a year ago. So I have a proper answer to this question. I can frame sentences in answer to answer these questions. Similarly, the next example is, how much did it cost you? And the answer would be how much it costed me in terms of money. So I'll answer in full sentence. The third type of an interrogative sentence is alternative questions. So basically, alternative means choice, right? And to denote choice, we can use conjunctions like or. So in alternative questions, you are giving choice. So in alternative questions, there is more than one question. There is more than one question, and that one more question is joined by the conjunction or. So when you are giving choice in question, that is an alternative question, and it has more than one question which is joined by or. Have a look at this example here. Would you like to have tea or coffee? You are giving two alternatives, right? The next example is, will you pay the dues by check or in cash? So are you going to pay me your dues by cash or by check? You are giving that particular person a choice to pay. So that was about alternative questions. The next type of an interrogative sentence is rhetorical questions. So rhetorical questions are basically questions only in form, and actually in reality they carry the sense of statement. They carry a sense of affirmation, we can say. Okay, have a look at this example here. Isn't it hot today? It's very hot. You are just asking for the confirmation of that person. It's really literally hot today, but in a question form, in a rhetorical form, you are giving a statement. It is actually hot. The next example is, didn't I give you my full support? The meaning behind the sentence is a statement that the person gave him the full support, right? So therefore, a rhetorical question is a question which is a question only in form, but in reality it carries a sense of statement. The fifth category of an interrogative sentence is emphatic question. So basically, emphatic questions are used to express strong feelings like anger, surprise. So therefore, these sentences are expressed, spoken, or done with stress, done with emphasis, They are forceful and positive, and they are very direct, they are very definite, right? So it expresses feelings like anger, surprise, etc. Have a look at this example here. Who the hell he is to interfere in my affairs? So the person has no right, the person is expressing anger through the sentence, he is laying emphasis. Next sentence is, what on earth are you doing there? So you are surprised, you have searched for the person everywhere, and now you are saying, what on earth are you doing here? I have been searching for you everywhere. The next and the last category of interrogative sentences are question tags. What are question tags? So basically, question tags are short questions which are tagged with the statement, right? And basically they create a statement all over statement. And why it is used? It is used to seek confirmation of what the statement conveys. First there is a statement, then a question tag is added to create confirmation of the person you are talking to. It is specially used in spoken exchanges more often, right? Have a look at this example here. You are willing to work for us, aren't you? So you are asking for the permission of that person, actually confirmation of that person for that particular task. The next example is, she did not inform you, did she? So you are asking for the confirmation of that person. So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. All the important links of the playlist will be linked down in the description box for you to check. Until we meet next time, keep learning and keep growing.